From your comments, I was asked by some of the viewers that how this soldering gun works. Now I've come, here is a charger. It's connected to a 5-volt charger. Last time it was connected to a laptop. Let's remove the cap. This is how the gun looks like. Switch on. Now we want to solder this. This is an IC sound. You can also use it to remove all these resistors, these capacitors, or some small parts on this engine. Here we go. Let's see. Yes, it's doing the job. .5-volt DC gun. Yes, it's working. Great job. One side is finished. Let's turn to the other side. Yes. This is a small engine. Let's try to see if yes. to remove this resistor R4. I'm hitting one side. Yes, look. Right, we want to return it back using the same gun, a DC gun, using a tweezer because this resistor is too small. Look, I'm hitting one side. Right, it's done. The one side. Exactly. Going to turn the engine and hit the other side. Like that. What a nice tool to use on small parts. Yes, this is a light. Want to take it off. Yes, look. Let's turn and hit the other side, and the light is removed. I've changed the engine. Look here, it's hitting faster. Both sides. What if I want to remove it? Yes. Right, this is my torch. I want to solder the two. This is the positive side or terminal. When I finished with the positive terminal, I'll go on to the negative terminal. Like that. Guys, if this video is helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am happy to see this great job. Right, have a look. Like that. easy to use. Like that. Thank you guys. See you more on my next video. Thank you.